Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Today it's going to be a short one. We're going to watch a dyno pull on this 14 GT, laying down over 550 rural horsepower. It came in stock. We installed our Roush 650R package, a set of long tubes. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, notified, stay up to date. I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, this 14 GT is a manual transmission. It's running 93 octane. Doug, come down here, take a look, show you what we did. It's our Roush TVS. It's a 2300. It's our 650R package. You do get the larger air induction system. It's about 9 PSI of boost. Fuel pump upgrade, colder spark plugs, 47-pound fuel injectors, and the proper calibration. We also installed a set of Kooks long tube headers. If you have any questions about this, open that description. You can click on links to these parts I just told you about, read a lot more about it, or leave that comment. Happy to answer. Check out this dyno pull. All right, DynoJet SAE smoothing 5. Check this out. 556 rural horsepower, 6,500 RPM. Torque comes in 476 at about 4,500 RPM, and boost 9.2. Peaking early 3,000. So check this out, Doug. Back up a little bit. Boost smooth across the board. Torque smooth across the board. You gotta love it. Huge horsepower gain on essentially stock car. Getting this blower, long tube headers. And I love the color. Used to have one just like it. Again, have any questions, leave a comment. Happy to answer. We're located in Indiana. You can email quote@brenspeed.com. And we have these superchargers in stock. We can ship them right to your door. Thanks for watching.